Good morning. This is Navneet with my experiences about my eighth day of quarantine. Eighth day sounds good. Today I'm into the ninth day. So it means I'm on my run home. Yes, that is the most positive thing about today's video. The next positive thing is that I still have don't any symptoms, and I've been told that if I don't have any symptoms for another 2 days, that would theoretically mean that I am cleared of any COVID danger, which is good to hear. I hope I stay this way and we can all go back together and reach home safely. In saying I am still kind of at loggerheads with certain services that we are provided, but that is an ongoing, you can say a struggle or an ongoing, I don't know what to call it. Soon we'll get over it and probably we'll be laughing about these days. But at the same time, I am still trying to raise my voice against the unnecessary restrictions, some of them, that have been imposed upon the people in quarantine. Also, yesterday I noticed some comments on social media about my video and about other people in quarantine who are trying to document their experiences and are unhappy about certain facilities or the lack of thereof. If you are one of these persons who post or react negatively or even rudely to these comments, I have a small message for you. Every person is a different individual. What might be good for me might not be good for you, and vice versa. For example, if I love my glass of milk, you may actually be lactose intolerant. So please do not listen to these experiences as a generalization. These are experiences which are very individual. I am just documenting what I feel. I am not saying that everybody feels the same way. Out of 170 people with me in quarantine, maybe 160 feel differently to what I do. That doesn't make anything right or wrong. My objective of documenting is these experiences to just have a diary of my feelings and my experiences and document what could have been better. You might not agree with it. I don't want you to agree with it. I just want you to listen and hear and read for what it is. So please refrain from making rude comments on anybody that is sharing their, so as to say, bad experiences. We do have bad experiences, all of us do. You also must be having bad experiences. And if you share it with somebody, it would feel very bad for the other person if the other person reacted rudely to it. So that is my request. Social media is a place where people go and talk about what they feel. It should not be a place where you criticize people and for just sharing their feelings. I think that is all I have to share today. We are all settled into this facility now with, of course, small problems here and there, but we have found our place and we are looking forward to completing the rest of the 6 days with the least discomfort as possible. One more thing, yesterday I started walking in my room, again inspired by some of my fellow people in quarantine and also by my niece and nephew who have been through these facilities. And I managed to clock over 5,000 steps. My goal is to increase this walking by a small amount every day so that by the time I'm out of here, I am close to 10,000 steps a day. That could be something we could look at. And it takes a bit of time. Yesterday it took me around more than 1 hour and 30 minutes. So that's some time gone positively and maybe making me a bit more healthy. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day. I hope you stay safe. I hope you stay happy. Do respond to me, do comment on the video, and let me know what else I can do to make my stay more pleasant. Have a blessed day, guys. Talk to you tomorrow.